Hello, everyone. Welcome to Python Challenge for All. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do today. Remember we drew simple fractal tree with L system in lesson 130. If you didn't do this, it's all right. Yeah, I hope you will see it again if you have not. So, okay. So we will revise this program to go on to make yeah more natural trees with L system. Okay. So okay, please follow me. So during we will draw a simple tree with L system rules. Okay, it's very simple. Only two rules. Initial axiom is x, and production rule is x goes to only this. So if you have code from lesson 130, we will use it. If not, just follow me. The basics part is really same. So, okay, let's save as, what was that? 145. Okay, let's save as EL145, natural simple tree, natural simple tree, else's. Okay, so we will use most of the parts as here. Maybe we will start as commenting this out, tracer off, and we will do 8 things later. So, okay, how about this? Okay, so the else's is the same, and draw is the same. So basically, it's the same. So yeah, we will forget about this. Yeah, we will first forget about the thickness. We will just, if C is F, okay, um, T down, T dot forward by S, and T up, okay, plus left angle, minus right angle. And if square bracket, left square bracket, it's use stack append, current position, current heading, and S value to to the stack. And if not, if C is right square bracket, pop 3 things from stack and set go to and set heading and draw. Okay, that's all. Okay, so it's the same. Bracket, uh, left square bracket and right square bracket will push and pop into or to from stack for recovery. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is all. So let's define D as say, okay, D as say, yeah, we will just use D. We don't use, okay. So let's change D one by one as usual, like range, so 5, for example, and draw, do residue and update. Okay, so we will do this. Um, okay, so we will do by increasing value of um, these, and then we will, yeah, t update, then time dot sleep 1 second, and make sure we have time here. D value of say 300. We need to clear here, t dot clear, and also we will have value like, yeah, what is the good value? 1.2. Okay, so 500 and 1.2. Starting position should be initialized. So we will have this to here. Okay. We will have this here. After clearing, we will have set up, go to 0 minus up and right. And this is good. Okay. And also we will have stacked 0 at each drawing. So we will have stacked 0 before um, drawing. Okay. Let's change this to 250 each time. And also, okay, let's change this to 400. It seems it's working. So, and also change, we will have tracer off so we can see what's happening. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, good. It's working. Okay, so it's working. So now we will change this to a little more natural. Okay, let's try this. Adjust color and thickness based on stack depth. So we will change this. We will introduce this by this, okay? We will have the length of stack as the depth of the recursion and change color according to that, okay? And also we want to change the width of it depending on n. So like t dot width, pen width to say, for example, d minus n times say 3 plus 2. How about this? Yeah, let's see how it looks like. And then we will use the color and width according to the depth of a tree. So let's see how it looks like. 0, 1. Okay, good. So it's working. Also, let's go as far as say 8 or 10 if you like. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so it seems fine. Maybe we might want 1.15. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's say change it to 300 and also go as far as 10. Okay, but anyway, it's good. So the next is adding stochastic variations for realism. Okay, introduce randomness to length and angle to mimic nature. This is interesting. So far we use fixed length for left and right drawing. So here we use the instead of s, we introduce randomness. So here also import random, and then instead of s, we use branch length by plus minus 20% by say multiplying s by random dot uniform 0.8, 1.2. This will introduce the randomness between 80% and 120% to the length of s. Let's see how it looks like. So instead of s, we have random dot uniform of say 0.8, 1.2. And that will be introducing naturalness to the length of the branches, okay? Okay, now it's becoming asymmetric and varying. Yeah, good. Interesting, right? what else can we do? So next, vary branching angles by also say 20 or 30 percent. Okay, this time let's try 30% by the same way. So here, um, yeah, by here we draw left angle, and here also random dot uniform, say 0 0.7, 1.3, and do the same for right hand side angle. So this will introduce more asymmetric, interesting shape. Let's go a little deeper to say 11 and see the developing. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, good. 6, good. Yeah, I hope you like it. It's more natural, right? Of course, it, yeah, every time you run it, it gives different results. And yeah, this is just this case. So every time you do it, you have different variations. So anyway, this is the way to, yeah, darken the branch color for better contrast. I did it already by changing the width or color. If you want, you can do a little do by darkening, say zero 0.2 and zero 0.3. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, this will a little darken the trunk. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's really dark now instead of just dark green. Yeah, okay, I hope you like it. So, yes, this is an interesting way to give randomness or by to go to naturalness to experiment with base angles such as 25 to 35. Yeah, you can do yourself. Changing these values can do a little more to alter the tree's profile and see how yeah, how much you like about naturalness by randomness. Okay, I hope you like it and come back again for next topic. Bye bye.